Come along with us as we explore the vibrant city of Montreal, Canada. Driving into Montreal, the cityscape unfolds before us. The blend of modern skyscrapers and historic architecture sets the stage for our exploration. Our first stop is the enchanting Garden of Light. The evening became a little cool, so we grabbed some warm food and drinks before entering the garden. Walking through the botanical buildings, we are surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant flowers. There were all kinds of plants, from tropical to desert plants. Listen closely to the wolf's chorus, a mesmerizing blend of lights and sounds that transport you to a magical realm. As we continue, we walk under baskets hanging in the trees, each illuminated with soft, glowing lights. The path is adorned with beautiful bird art installations, each one lit up to create a whimsical atmosphere. Lanterns guide our way to the Chinese gardens, casting a warm glow overhead. Surrounded by lily pads and tranquil waters, we make our way to the serene Chinese garden and its stunning buildings. Next, we explore the beautiful Japanese gardens, a haven of peace and natural beauty. Don't miss the breathtaking water and illumination show. It's truly magical. Finally, we journey into the First Nations Garden, where we experience the circle of life through captivating displays.
ce soir, la lune déborde. Une mélodie. Nui hamukon, titininya, te timetamania.
We always like to join a walking tour so that we can get to know the area we're visiting. We joined a tour that took us through Old Montreal. Our wonderful host Leslie from Explore Old Montreal Walking Tours did a fascinating job. The walking tour starts at the square near the iconic Notre Dame Basilica of Montreal. As we walk the historic streets, we see charming stores, delightful restaurants, and hear the vibrant sounds of street artists. We visit beautiful gardens and step inside a stunning church to admire its beauty. Next, we head to the Old Port, Montreal for a ride on the Ferris wheel at sunset. The view is a must-see.
We are on the Ferris wheel in Montreal. Look at that booty. Look at that booty.
After a day of exploring, we enjoy an amazing dinner on a street terrace, soaking in the lively atmosphere. As night falls, we experience City Memoir, the largest video projection trail in the world. Art projections light up buildings, alleys, and trees, creating a mesmerizing display. Getting around Montreal is easy. You can use the subway, your personal vehicle, catch a taxi, Uber, or Lyft. Many parts of the city is also walkable. Montreal's food scene is world-class. We tried 2 top bagel shops, St. Viateur Bagels and Fairmont Bagels. Both were delicious. Montreal is a city that offers a perfect blend of history, culture, and modern attractions. We hope you enjoyed this tour and are inspired to visit this incredible city. Don't forget to stop by Chinatown for some amazing food as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures with Love Happy.